Hey guys, what's going on? And in this video I'll be showing you the latest update of the MiniTool Partition Wizard, the 12.9 update. Let's get into the video. As you can see here, this is just the initial update of MiniTool Partition Wizard. It is the 12.8. This is the current version that they have before I updated to 12.9. In this version it shows everything from your drives to the partitions to the different storage devices that are located in your computer or laptop, and here you can sort of format it. You can copy disk, you can copy your ISO file that is located on these disks. You can check the status of each disk, you can check the storage and whether it is running properly, and this is very nice so that you can see whether some of your disks are actually running properly and whether they are running to their max potential. And Mini Partition Wizard has made it so that everything is very simple. There's no complications, there's no complicated functions. As you can see, there's the properties, everything is in its place, everything is simplified, which I enjoy as a Windows 10 user. I enjoy the simplification of UIs. That is something I look forward to. I'm just playing around with different tools, with the different features, if it is compatible with the different interfaces. I enjoy it. This is one thing I enjoy. And now let me show you how to download the new update. First we want to go to your preferred web browser. In this case I'm using Google Chrome, and click on the profile, and you want to click on the search bar, type MiniTool and click on the first link. I'll have the link in the description below, and you just want to scroll down a few and you want to click on download now. So you're going to say thanks for downloading, and look on the top right if you're using Chrome, and you want to click onto it. Wait a few seconds and then you want to click and say yes. After a few seconds, a pop-up is going to say, and you click your language and you click yes. After a few seconds, a block will say, and for now let's use the free version, and click next, and click next, and click next. Yes, say yes, and it is busy installing. As you can see, it's a very simple installation. Very simple and user friendly. So after a few minutes or seconds, depending on your computer speed, it should be done and ready for you to use on your Windows PC or laptop. Just give it a few seconds, and we are done, complete. And now just click finish, and it should take you to the website to upgrade, but in this case we're using the free version. And now although to find it, just click on the Windows and type M, and it should be MiniTool, and now click on to run it, and you also the prompt say yes, and on my screen it's already running, so I'm just click on it. And now as you can see, the user face is nice, pretty clean user face, all the tools there. It is compatible with almost any Windows or Mac device, Linux. Very nice software. I appreciate it, that it was nice, simple and clean, and everything there was easy to use. Very nice UI, I must admit.